Hello guys and welcome to the new episode where I do an epic trip around Bali on my motorbike alone. This is Lisa with Love and I'm Russian girl traveling in Indonesia. It's been about 10 days of me staying in Bali and this is day 3 and 4 exploring Bali on a bike. I will start my journey at Mideve Beach and we will go to Gilimanuk town, which is the most western point of Bali Island, and we're going to end day 4 at Banjuwidang village. So enjoy guys! Right now I need to check out from my hotel and I need to find owners to pay for a night because they kindly extended my stay for one night. And yeah, on my background you probably can hear the prayer mosque singing. It's because it's so interesting. So Indonesia is a Muslim country but Bali is not. In Bali they have their own religion. But still, in this area of Bali, I saw a few mosques and there are people wearing hijab, so probably it's like a Muslim area of Bali. It was really nice and cozy stay here for 2 days. Little guest house only with 3 rooms and very beautiful outdoor area with a stable and umbrella. So today we will be going to the place called Gilimanuk and it is the western point of the whole Bali island, and then they have ferries that goes to Java Island. I think only now I started to get used to local heat after about 10 days in Bali. So now let's jump on a bike and let's grab a coffee and a breakfast first. It is not a joke. They call this breakfast on their menu America Great Again. So let's make America great again, and hello to all of my viewers from the USA, from the Paradise Islands. It's actually very nice today, not like it was yesterday when we had a giant storm here. I calculated the route and today we need to make 53 kilometers to get to my next location. It is so crazy how many cars on a road in this area. Just a kilometer after Mideve, I stopped to show you guys how they sell local watermelons. I don't need one, but I guess they are very nice. I'm driving through some rice fields. This rice is ready to harvest, I guess, and I just wanted to show you this, guys, how they do these rice fields. There are plastic flags and pieces everywhere, and then they're put like a black flags, and it just reminds me like a pirate's flags. If you're from Indonesia, you can explain me in a comment, what does it mean? Why do you put so many shiny plastic pieces in your rice fields? Little pit stop in Indomaret. I want to show you guys this one. They have banners around Bali everywhere. I guess that it is local elections because obviously I cannot read in Indonesian language, so if you know what is this, you can write in the comments. Right now I'm near to the place called Jembrana and they have a sea turtle conservation center and it's just on my way, so it's a cool idea to just go and check it out. have so many fun drinks here. Look guys, I want to try everything. They even have Pikachu. And from the last time I remember that this tea is very good. It's called Teh Kotak. Exactly what I wanted. It tastes like lime and apple. Very refreshing. I drove right now to Sea Turtle Conservation Center. Hello. This place called Berankak. We can see turtles. Oh, little baby turtles, right? Oh, very small.
Yeah.
Like this. They have one big. It is so pretty. Oh, look at those babies. They are tiny. Wow, this one is so beautiful. Yes, I need some protection from humans.
Yeah.
They're so pretty. This is the place where they grow turtles' eggs. You can step like this?
Yeah. Type of turtle,
Yeah.
number of the egg, 109. And the crop. Time of find the egg in 29 of September. Prediction on hatching in 20 of November.
Oh.
The hatching normally 7 weeks.
Yeah.
The name of sponsor for the nest.
They let me release one turtle. Is he going to be okay?
Yeah, it's okay. That's very.
He is already old enough?
Yeah.
Oh. So the size of baby is smaller than a palm of the hand. This is so crazy. We will bring the baby in an adult life to the free world. There? With hand?
Yeah, by the hand. Don't push them.
Yeah.
Don't go. Okay, please. Just put.
Oh, he's so small. Okay, go little buddy. Do you know where to go? Yes. He feels the ocean. Come on, you're free. Have a happy life. And grow big. The wave took him. That's it. He went home to find new adventures and family. The owner explained me that they found eggs during the season. The season is May, June and July in the summer. They found the eggs and then they bring it to the yard and then they take care of it and wait until it will hatch. Then they grow it maybe up to 1-2 months old and then they release it to the ocean. They need to save eggs because dogs and lizards and other animals can eat and destroy eggs. That's why they need some protection. This place is very cool. I found it spontaneously and it's free to visit, but they receive donations and I gave them 100,000 rupees for their work because the owner is very cool and like it's nice to support them so they can continue their job. If I will be in Bali again, I want to come to visit again. Such a kind place. recommend to visit it. But I cannot stay for a long time. From here, I have 40 kilometers to drive to my town, so we gotta go. Let's jump on my orange bike. I just looked on the map and I entered very different territory. It is close to Bali National Park and I'm driving through the wild forest only, and I entered Monkey's Kingdom. I saw hundreds of monkeys there. Look at this big holy tree. Also I found military monument in the middle of nowhere. What an amazing entrance gate they have to this territory. It feels like an ancient lost kingdom. This is Vladivostok city. I already passed my hotel and about 5 minutes drive from here it's going to be an end of Bali. I have reached the most western shore of Bali on my orange friend. This is where the port starts, this entrance for all of the lorries. And it makes sense because how all of the produce come to Bali, it comes from Java Island, which we can see directly from here. This piece of water separates us from Java. So technically, we can jump on that ferry that stops over there and go to another island, and technically we can go to Jakarta. This exact point on a Google map says that it's the most western point of island Bali. So what do we see here? Some kids playing. Hello. It is basically a very local town, and all of the kids saying hello to me when they see me, and only local food restaurants are here. So just came to this warung with bakso. Let's try to find something. Local bakso kitchen.
Bakso, ayam sapi.
Ayam sapi?
Yes.
Nice.
Mana?
Yes.
Yang gede ini telur, ini biasa. Kecap manis, chili, saus tomat.
This and
Ini. Aduh, kayakku gak takon.
they tried to explain me very friendly how to eat this amazing dish. I expected bakso to be a soup, but actually they gave me a noodle with meatballs, and I grabbed a drink with panda that I wanted to try. That is actually very edible. The noodles is sweet, sour, and a little bit chili, but it's actually very nice. I just wonder all the time is how life of local people is different from what we have in Russia and in Moscow specifically. I have one night reservation.
Your name?
Vasilisa?
Yeah, Vasilisa.
Yes.
Okay.
Jockey.
Yes.
Friendly dog. This is crazy, guys. I have 18 plus picture in my room. I should hide it for YouTube. What a special day we had today. I left Surfers Town and then I released a little turtle to a new life, and then I arrived to this local Indonesian town. You can hear the noises of school students playing. It is a local Muslim school and it's kind of a music lesson. Good morning, guys, from Gilimanuk City. I did not sleep well today because an aircon in my room worked pretty bad. Yes, this place is a little bit old, but the territory here is still very pretty. An aircon works bad, so it was really hard. I couldn't fall asleep. But the good service here is that they provide a small breakfast and coffee, which is really nice. It is the day 4 of driving around Bali. Checked out from my family homestay, and today we will have a short drive. It's only half an hour, maybe 20 kilometers, and the place called Taman Menjangan. So I'm going to the north of Bali, where they have a very beautiful snorkeling area. I'm going to drive along Bali National Park, and also they have a wild bird park over there, so wish me a good luck. This is how the road looks in this wild part of Bali. It's pretty comfortable to drive here because it's almost empty and you can get a little bit more speed here. And look, guys, I stopped to show you this very bright red tree. It's very cool looking because it is not leaves that's red, it's actually a blossom. The sky looks like it's going to be rainy soon, and I heard thunderstorm, so I need to hurry up. But actually I prepare for this. I have my plastic coat, so we may drive in the rain. Well, that it is, I guess. I found my little cozy next day. Again, it's very rural. I saw pig, I saw cows, and I had one a bit dangerous moment on the road. Not because I drive bad, but because one monkey literally ran in front of my wheel. Like, what a suicidal monkey. Like, he was staying in the middle of the road and he just ran in front of me. It was really, really close. Wow, what is this? Is it a mango? Wow, so delicious. Also some gardening situation. Look, they have snorkeling tools. I hope we can go there because I just want to finally swim. The room is hot looking, like a natural style village house, and aircon slightly better than in previous place, so hope I will sleep better. And also they kindly gave me the mango, but inside is actually very green and it is sour. And also I agreed to go snorkeling tomorrow because the boat departs in the morning and today is a bit late to go there. Like obviously in this area of Bali there are lots of luxury and nice hotels and stays. There are about like $100 and more a night, and middle price hotels like around $50 a night. Of course you can stay in there, but I'm just traveling on a budget, so this is the place you can get. Still a lovely service, all local people, all hosts are very welcoming. The breakfast also included, so for less than $20 a night, I think it's just a good deal. That is so hot day today in Bali. Even wearing my slippers, I can feel the heat from the sand. It's melting. So as you see, it's not a perfect beach. It's maybe for fishing, but for snorkeling, they bring people somewhere a little bit far away to the island. It's where we will go tomorrow. I was just trying to film the thumbnail for this amazing video and I found interesting place. Some kind of a dry field with cows and palm trees. This is how it looks. So, this is the reality of filming. Oh my god, this is so hot. The reality of filming these travel vlogs. It's melting, guys. Sometimes it's so hot because even your phone stops working because of the heat, and I barely can see on the screen anything because it's so bright and hot. So yeah, this is how it is. The best idea that I can think of is just to go to find an aircon and a cold coffee. That's it. Every day in Bali is a new adventure. Now I can hear new music and local people doing something interesting over there. Let's go outside and check it out. And also, my next mission is going to be find the dinner in this local village.
Ceremony, baby ceremony.
Baby? 3 months baby. I had two options for the dinner: explore local Indonesian warungs or to come here. This is the best restaurant I could find in the area. It's located in some kind of a little bit fancy resort and it is looking pretty cool, I can tell you. Oh, my today's dinner a little bit on a fancy side, not like yesterday bakso dinner. So I'm trying new Indonesian dish. This is Indonesian curry and chicken satay with rice and island beer. Also have some editing on my background. The work never stops, guys.